imechi. If we're gonna tata mane makechi ade. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Imalo tata imechi. If we're gonna tata makechi ade. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows.
Hello beautiful people. Yeah, hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome, thank you so much for clicking to watch. Thank you for stopping by. It's still your girl Ugotesi, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, into lifestyle content. Okay, thank you so very much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking to watch. I really appreciate that you do. Today is market vlog. Okay, we want to go to market and get some foodstuffs, some soup ingredients, actually not food stuff, soup ingredients, and I want to carry you guys along as we move. We want to go to the market to get some food and soup ingredients. Okay, so come with me to the market to get food soup ingredients. Okay, please remember to give us a thumbs up. Yes, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please, we are pleading, subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment in our videos. Thank you so very much as you remain blessed as we move ahead in today's video. Okay guys, this is me on the way. I've noticed I forgot my ATM at home, so I need to go pick it up before I go to the market. Okay, I am heading home now to go pick up my ATM before we go to the market. Okay, yes my people, we're on the way heading home.
Life without money, it was past dead. You go see many things, you not go believe. Don't you deceive yourself. Money don't rule the world. If you get them, you are there. Head. If you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai, hebu. Apane berego. Na money mata. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, hebu. Life without a one wow. Na so far.
Okay guys, we've taken it, we've gotten it, so now we head straight to market. The sun is too much. We'll be heading back, we'll be heading to market. We'll be heading now to market to go get soup ingredients for us to make soup this evening. Okay, yes, let's go guys, let's go.
Life without money, it was past dead. You go see many things, you not go believe. Don't you deceive yourself. Money don't rule the world. If you get them, you are there. Head. If you don't get them.
Okay guys, we will first of all go to the ATM before we now enter motor that will convey us to the market. Okay, but first of all visit the ATM before we do that. Okay, so guys, let's go.
Life without money, it was past dead. You go see many things, you not go believe. Don't you deceive yourself. Money.
Okay guys, we have gotten and it's time for us to go. See my outfit. I don't know whether people can see me very well. We have gotten and it's time for us to go. Okay, Okay, we are done from the bus. This is us on the way, tracing it with our leg. There is hold up on this part, you can see. So our motor could not get to the bus stop before it stopped us, okay? But we are almost at the market, okay? Let's go, guys. My people, I have to use voiceover because the noise is just too much, okay? This is machine trying to break through the gutter. This machine is trying to cut this pavement on the gutter. You will see it better now. See the areas it has already cut. See how it is. He's trying to cut it out so that they can lift it up to clear the gutter. You can see how dirty the gutter is. You know, rainy season is on the way. Rainy season is fast approaching. You can see them trying to remove it, trying to clear the gutter, okay? Rainy season is on the way. So if we don't do this, flood will full everywhere. This road, normally on rainy season like this, you won't see this express that we are working on now. If rain should fall now, you won't see road. Yeah, you won't be able to differentiate the road and the gutter itself, okay? I am very happy that they are doing this. I am very, very happy that they are doing this. It will help to eliminate flood, okay? I'm happy. If all Lagos should be able to do this, then we are free from flood. We are free from water entering into some people's house because the season is fast approaching, okay? Let's continue, guys. Hey, my people, we don't enter the market. The market we did, so good afternoon. We don't enter the market now, okay? Let's look for what we need, pick it, and we will be going, okay? Let's go, guys. We want to buy cocoyam. Cocoyam, yes. We want to buy cocoyam, guys. How do you sell? I want to buy 300 naira.
Àgbàdo àìríkóná àlẹ́ ìbáwọ̀ òṣìṣẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá lóòkà ìlọ́wọ́ òun náà lẹ́rí tí wọ́n ń tàbọ̀bọ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ ìṣeun ìyá bàbá àtìkòrè láti dágbére bóòtù ká òrùka yìí káàpù ọlọ́wọ́ máa bá ọ gbé 100 naira àti ọ̀kan náírà tí wọ́n bá àjẹrà òrùka àtúbà ìjọba àmẹ́ríkì òrùka yìí wọ mọ́sálásí ó sàlùwà àlá àkọ́kọ́ nínú iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ òrùka ìtajà
Pepper.
àìsẹ́kẹ́sẹ́ ìdọ́gba àdóhùn ìgbàgbé òǹkà àlùfáàjọlá àtẹ́bí yẹn jọ máa wà lọ́wọ́ yín kẹ́ ẹ dágbére báyìí pẹ̀wọ́ owó òǹkà àlùfáàjọlá àtẹ́bí ó gbọ́dọ̀ fúra jẹ́ bí iná ẹ̀dọ́dún lórí gbogbo tá a bá ń tẹ́lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo létí ọba ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nàìjíríà
Okay, guys, we are cutting cocoyam. We're cutting cocoyam. Ogirisi. I don't know that name in English. If you are Igbo, you will know. Ogirisi for bitterleaf soup. So I'm cutting ogirisi. What is remaining now is bitterleaf itself. Washed bitterleaf, okay? We get washed bitterleaf, get our meat and our stockfish as well, okay? So I want to enter inside in order to get those ones, okay? Baba, good afternoon, sir. Well done, sir. We need meat. Good afternoon. How do you sell? 500. How much? 500. Give me one. Just draw me, be like say the thing plenty inside. I say no, but inside plenty inside.
You know go believe. Into this place, if you say money the good work. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them, disappear.
My people see snail. Oh. Snail and this one bitter leaf go well. Oh. My people see snail. Well done. Snail. Good afternoon. This side is how much?
This one.
This.
Okay, this one 25,000. This one 24,000. This one 20,000. So how much are you paying? So you say must buy 20, or you can buy more than that. So if by 20, I give you the price. How much are you paying?
It's too high now. Snail.
It's expensive before.
No, it's not that expensive.
It's expensive, but it's not too.
When we are in village, you don't even sell itself. Bucket 500. A bucket of it 500.
All those ones, they are the one they used to measure. This one is counting.
This is a one, but we have already gotten, okay? So we just keep our head straight and go straight. The bitter leaf we are giving me was not long one and it wasn't fresh. So we still have to look for bitter leaf, long bitter leaf, okay? Never knew that. Places like this exist. This is meat or this thing now. I never knew that things like this exist in this place. I'm telling you guys, I never knew that something like this is inside this market. I've been coming to the market, but I never knew that it's like this. Good afternoon. I'm good, ma. Well done, man. Do you have bitter leaf? Wash bitter leaf. Long one. Okay. Ooh, bitter leaf. Okay. Yes, ma. Long one. 200. See what we are looking for, guys. I've been coming to this market, but I never knew that a place like this exists. See, a very big market inside here, but I never knew. I've been buying from outside. I'm telling you, it's so cool. Wow. This is the main market, inside the main market. Wow. My people, I never knew that this big market is inside here. I've been coming to the market, but known to me that I've been stopping at the entrance of the market, thinking that is the main market. I've been stopping at the entrance of the market, at the outer part of it. I never knew that this place is in 59. I never knew that this place exists, my people. See market, big market inside here. Let me show you guys something. How do you sell pawpaw? Papa.
Life without money, it was past there too. You go see many things, see. You no go believe. Don't to deceive yourself. Money don't rule the world. If you get them, you are there. Hey, if you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai, hey woo. Apane berego. Na money mata. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, hey woo. Life without to na wow. Na so far. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, hey woo. Apane berego.
Finally, guys, I am done picking what I want, and to my greatest surprise, I met the main market today. It's today that I met the main market. I've been coming to the entrance of the market since, but never knew that the main market was inside. It's today that I found that, and I am happy about that. And these are lots of and these are cheaper inside there than outside here. I am so happy. I'm so very happy that I bitter leaf, because it was bitter leaf that carried me there. As I was asking of a bitter leaf, they said there's no bitter leaf here. I should go inside. I have to enter inside in order to get the bitter leaf. I am happy for that. Okay, let's go, guys. Hey guys, this is us leaving the market. This is us leaving the market, okay?
Life without money, it was past there too. You go see many things, see. You no go believe. Don't to deceive yourself. Money don't rule.
Guys, we are heading to where we are going to enter a Kemaruwa bus that will carry us back home, okay? We are done getting everything that brought us to the market, and we are heading back home, okay? We want to enter the Kemaruwa. Baby, there you go. This is the road. Okay.
Life without money, it was past there too. You go see many things, see. You no go believe. Don't to deceive yourself. Money don't rule the world. If you get them, you are there. Hey, if you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai, hey woo. Apane berego. Na money mata. Obuzi makego ma. Chai chai, hey woo. Life without
You can see they are trying to clear the buffer because rainy season is on the way. Rainy season is fast approaching. Down from the Kekemaru, okay? We are now heading back to our street, to our house. We are down from the Kekemaru and we are heading back home with our leg. We came down at our bus stop. We came down. This place, noise of chain is too much. Guys, the weather is fast changing. It seems like rain wants to fall. It seems like rain wants to fall. The weather is fast changing. Let me go so I can be able to pack our dress that is outside. Okay? Let's go, guys. The weather is just changing. The weather is changing. And it seems like we don't have light too. This one that Jen is standing everywhere. Home we are. Okay, guys, we are back home. We just entered and dropped our bag. Okay, the dress is our dress that is at the backyard. It seems like you want to fall. The weather is darkening a bit. Okay, I don't want any story. I want to pack our dresses here. Pack our dresses here. Okay, let's pack our clothes, our dry clothes, so that rain don't get to beat it. My people, you see how they are preparing, getting ready for the rainy season. The gutter, trying to clear the gutter. The gutter that we saw that they were trying to break. They were trying to break the gutter in order to clear, for them to clear it. Based on the fact that there was too much dirt in the gutter. There was so much dirt in the gutter, so they were trying to like break the gutter, clear the dirty, and re-cement it. They are trying to break. They are breaking the gutter. Now they are trying. We saw them trying, breaking the gutter, cutting it out, and trying to clear the gutter. After clearing it, they will not be able to cement it back. That is a good way to plan for rainy season. It's a very good way to plan for rainy season. If all the streets in Lagos can actually do that, then there won't be issue of flood. There won't be issue of flood again. If we can be able to do that, because most of those, most times, those floods is mostly caused by all this heaped nylon at the gutter. If we can be able to clear our gutters, if all the streets in Lagos can be able to clear the gutters around us, we won't be experiencing flood when heavy rain falls. Okay, let's still gathering our dress to avoid the rain beating our dress outside. Okay. I think that was the last one. We'll carry it back inside. NEPA has taken our light though. The NEPA supply, the power supply has gone off. Okay, I am not making the soup now. The soup will have to be when I get back. I will head back to the shop now. After showing you guys what we got, we will head back to the shop now so that Mommy Blessing can be able to go to pick her kids at the school. Okay, it's already afternoon time. It's already time for her to go. So I will head back to the shop now in order for her to be able to go and pick her kids at school. Okay, then when I come back in the night, when I get back at night, that is when I will prepare the soup. We are preparing Vitalis. I'm so happy. I'm so happy inside that market, my people. I have been going to that market, as in I've been going there, not that regular, but I've been going there, you get. But I never knew that the main market was hidden inside. I never knew that the main Ogbonge market was hidden inside. And I was just, you know, I'm so happy that I was able to find out that today. And I didn't find out late. At least I didn't find out late now. So I am happy, guys. Let's go inside. Let me carry this our gathered dress and go inside, show you guys what we bought, then off we go. Okay guys, yes, we are back. I told you guys that we came back and the light has gone. Okay, I just want to show you guys what we got. This is the snail. This is the snail that we got. Our dry fish, our stockfish with meat, our pomo. Okay, this is the main soup ingredients that we got. We are cooking cocoyam, which is a bitter leaf soup. We are using cocoyam to make it. I got both fresh cocoyam and sachet one, should in case this one didn't thicken enough, so that I won't be at loss. Okay, this is the native Maggi that we use in making bitter leaf soup. Without this, there is no bitter leaf. Okay, without this brown this ogiri in this brown sachet, packet, there is no bitter leaf soup. You cannot make bitter leaf soup forgetting this or keeping it aside. Okay, and this is the main leaf we are making use of today. This is bitter leaf. Okay, this is our bitter leaf, our pepper, our oil, and our Maggi cube that we are using. Okay, these are the things that we got from the market today. Yes, when we come back, that is when we'll be making the soup. We'll be preparing the soup when we get back. We equally got pawpaw. We equally got pawpaw. Okay, so guys, that is it. Oh, okay guys, thanks so very much for joining me to market today. I really appreciate that you do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments at the comment section. Thank you so very much. As at this point I say goodbye.